The volume of a cylindrical tank is 1,100 meters cube. If the diameter of its base is 10 meters, find its height. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. The volume of the cylindrical tank is 1,100 meters cube, and the diameter of its circular base is 10 meters. The question wants us to use this information to find the height of the cylindrical tank. The volume of a cylinder is given by the formula pi r squared h, where r is the radius of the circular base and h is the height of the cylinder. Here, the question gave us the diameter of the circular base to be 10 meters. We know that when we divide the diameter by 2, we are going to get the radius. So it means that the radius of the base will be equal to the diameter, which is 10 meters, divided by 2. 10 meters divided by 2 will give us 5 meters. So the radius of the base is 5 meters. We have the radius and we have the volume. We can find the height. Let's substitute the information into the formula. When we do that, we will have 1,100 meters cube is equal to 22 divided by 7 times 5 meters squared times h, which is the height. 5 meters squared will give us 25 meters squared. And so we will have 1,100 meters cube is equal to 22 divided by 7 times 25 meters squared times h. 22 divided by 7 times 25 meters squared will give us 550 divided by 7 meters squared. I'll multiply both sides by 7 to remove the fraction. So when we do that, you can see that 7 and 7 will cancel each other out. 7 times 1,100 meters cube will give us 7,700 meters cube. To get h, I'll divide both sides by 550 meters squared. And so h will be equal to 7,700 meters cube divided by 550 meters squared. And this will give us 14 meters. So it means that the height of the cylinder is 14 meters. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is B.